In this video, I will show you how to create an affiliate link in Whop 2025. To get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open whop.com on your browser. Now make sure that you're signed in into your account. Now from here, go ahead and head over into the affiliates section by clicking on the affiliates tab. On the customer section, go ahead and hit on that discover Whop button. So you'll find that below the my affiliate links, and that will allow you to select affiliate offers from this list. So you can set the filter of this affiliate offers to find the specific affiliate offer that you want to go with. And from here, go ahead and hit on that add button for that specific affiliate offer that you want to add for your affiliate links. And from there, you can go ahead and copy your affiliate link, share it on different social media platforms. And once someone signs up for a subscription on that affiliate channel, you'll be able to receive a 20% reward from that. And that is how you can simply create an affiliate link in Whop. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.